Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Wyeth Tootle Mansion stands as one of the boldest reminders of St. Joseph's rise to wealth in the late 19th century. Built in 1879, it emerged during a period when railroads, river trade, and westward expansion were fueling rapid growth. The city was no longer a rough frontier settlement, but a place determined to project confidence and permanence. William and Eliza Wyeth commissioned this mansion as a clear declaration that St. Joseph had arrived. Architect Edmond Jacques Eckel designed the home and went on to shape much of the city's skyline. His vision drew inspiration from the castles that line Germany's Rhine River, blending European drama with Midwestern ambition. The steep rooflines, stone detailing, and commanding tower give the structure a strong and unmistakable presence. Positioned at the corner of 11th and Charles Streets, the mansion was designed to be seen and remembered. It reflected prosperity, but it also reflected belief in the city's future. Inside, the scale is just as striking. The mansion contains 43 rooms spread across 3 expansive floors. Walnut woodwork frames doorways and walls with deliberate precision. Parquet floors create geometric patterns that shift from room to room. Imported stained glass softens the light and adds layers of color. Hand-painted ceilings introduce texture and artistry overhead. Each space carried its own decorative identity, yet the overall design remains unified and disciplined. The effect is confident without feeling chaotic. Despite its grandeur, the Wyeth family lived here for only about 8 years. The home was later purchased by Kate Tootle, whose family would remain until 1947. Their long stewardship connected the mansion to decades of civic leadership and social life in St. Joseph. As the city transitioned from boomtown energy to established regional center, the house remained a constant symbol of its early ambition. In 1947, the mansion entered a new phase when William Goetz, owner of the Goetz Brewery, purchased the property. He gave the building a public purpose by designating as a home of the St. Joseph Museums. That decision preserved the mansion at a time when many historic residences were being lost to demolition or redevelopment. Today, the Wyeth Tootle Mansion stands not simply as a beautiful structure, but as a lasting expression of ambition, craftsmanship, and a city determined to protect its architectural legacy.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.